all of our hearts this year. So hindi ko na kayo papagtayin pa. Roll video please.
Here are the nominees for Z-Influential Scene Stealer. Ang mutya ng Section E. JJ! 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 Incognito. Beauty Empire.
Sino ka ba? 네가 알아서 한다고요? 그게 무슨 말이야? 당신 누구야?
You speak Korean?
나 한국어 너무 잘하거든?
Sangre.
Buhay pa ang anak ni Dalaya. Hindi maaari. Sapagkat sa tagal ng aking pamumuno dito sa buong Encantadia, ni anino ng sinasabi niyong sangre ay hindi ko nasilayan. Wala na ang tinutukoy niyong tagapagligtas ng Encantadia.
Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. Bakit?
Sinya ka nga nakausap ko, hindi ko magis ba't ikaw pa yung mas galit? Okay! Sorry kung natapangan yung paggalaftin nyo.
And the Z-Influential Scene Stealer is ang mutya ng Section E.
Hello everyone! I thank the entire Civil po, lahat ng fans who supported and voted for our series.
Yes, and we would like to thank the Tiger State, Eva, Miko, Mon, AA, and especially to Boston for trusting us in this series. And also, salamat din po sa mga nag-support ng mga nominees na part ng Amagyanang Section Rab, which is GAT, Rabin Ampilet, Angela Muji, Ashton Oviga, and Andres Mola.
Ang patuloy po nating suportahan ang buong cast ng Amagyanang Section E. Now for Season 2, kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much!
Alright, let's give them another round of applause. Okay guys, next award. Kapangyarihan ng araw. We are happy to accept the award on behalf of the two winners. Thank you so much. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let us all give a big round of applause to all our Z-Influential awardees for tonight. Let's hear it, guys! Woo! Thank you, guys!
Yes! Alright! So what a night has been from food, travel, sports, fashion,
Music, film, TV, and pati sports. Kasama, di ba? We have met our remarkable Gen Zs and Gen Z icons who have proven themselves worthy of a Z-Influential Award.
Yep, that is right. This night just proved that the Gen Z is not just full of promise and potential. They're actually already changing the world one industry at a time.
That's right, Jill. Only the best of the best right here tonight. But the funnest part from Overzingsters, later, we kick off the after party with Artie Magalona, also known as Quark, and DJ Cat.
Oh nga, pero wait lang guys. Before that, one more time ha. Talent check.
Influence, check.
Impact Super Check! Ay, ibang message nito.
Powered by TikTok Shop and TikTok Live.
Co-presented by IMO.
And in partnership with Lux Beauty and Wellness Group, McDonald's, and Okada Manila. Again, guys, this has been Philippine pop culture's biggest night.
The Z-Influential Awards
2025!
Woo! Once again, this is
responsibility. From transforming Pasig City to inspiring renewed faith in government, his influence extends far beyond the walls of City Hall. For his exemplary leadership in public service and his unwavering commitment to integrity and progress, Zine proudly honors Mayor Vico Soto as one of this year's Z-Influential Voices, a leader whose vision continues to inspire trust, hope, and meaningful change.
Right. Thank you so much, Mayor Vico.
Hello everyone! This is Cathy Garcia Sampana po. Humihingi ng pasensya because I cannot be physically there to accept this incredible honor that was given by Zine as this year's Zine-Fluential Filmmaker. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo po, lagi kong sinasabi na ang pinakamahalagang award sa akin ay yung pinili ng mga tao. So lahat po ng bumoto at naniwala at sumuporta sa akin para mapanalunan ang award na to, maraming salamat po. Kayo po ang dahilan kung ba't ako gumagawa ng pelikula at patuloy na gumagawa ng kwento tungkol sa buhay, sa pagmamahal, pamilya. Maraming salamat po for making me feel that this is all worth it. God bless you, Zine. God bless sa lahat po ng bumoto. Again, thank you very much.
God bless you, Miss Cassie. What real talk
But parang movie din kasi yung video greeting kasi niya eh. Pero magaling si direct.
I know.
Pero what we're saying,
Nagpapansin ka kasi. Anyway, the point is, when you...
Virtual Filmmaker, Zid Dulay. Cathy Garcia Sampana. Michael Red. Theodore Overall.
The Z-Influential Filmmaker
is Cathy Garcia Sampana.
Ay, nako, I am just so overwhelmed to be in this room with so many talented people, so many young. Nakaka-inspire kayo. Grabe kayo. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I'm just so honored to be sharing the same space as all of you guys. And I cannot wait to see the future of art in our country because of you. And as you know, you can't do anything alone. I have so many people to thank. It's the people who are so supportive of me, who are behind me, Creation Studios. Thank you. You're the best. RJ, John, Yay. Nasaan ka na, Yay? Yes. And the best handler on the planet, Luis Guillermo. I love you. My family, my kids, the people who have trained me, who have inspired me, Tony Mabesa, Jose Estrella, all the people who I've learned from, and you guys, lahat kayo, nakaka-inspire kayo. I learn every day from you. Kayo talaga ang future, and I couldn't be prouder that you have voted for me and you have chosen me to receive this so cool thing. Woo! Thank you guys. Thank you.